Thanks for joining us for the Six Bridges Book Festival. I'm Patrice and I'm here at the Children's Library in the greenhouse. Lots and lots of plants. And today I'm going to show you how to make a grassy garden gnome. Like this. So, what you need, and we got this idea from this book in our collection. It's called Gardening Lab for Kids, 52 Fun Experiments. We have lots and lots of books about gardening at the library. All right. So what you need is your kit that you picked up at the Children's Library. And you need a drinking glass and you need a little bowl. All right, so the first thing you do is take out your stocking and stretch it over this drinking glass. The drinking glass is nice and firm. It will help you fill it up. Just like that. Then you need your grass seed. So we're gonna sprinkle a few spoonfuls of grass seed in. You can probably use everything you got in your kit. Next thing you need is some dirt. So we will pour this dirt over that grass, push it down. Might make a little mess, but you can clean it up when you're done. I think mine needs a little more dirt. Oops. Push that in, and then carefully take the stocking out of the cup. Ta-da! We might have to smush it down a little. My gnome is going to have a lumpy head. Right. Then you take the open end of your stocking and tie a knot here. All right. Ta-da. Okay, now we need to fill our little bowl with some water. And we're gonna invert the head in there to soak up some water into the dirt. So we're gonna let that soak for a few minutes. All right, while that's happening, we'll move on to the next step. Take your little pot, ours is just a little clear cup, and put a little water in the bottom. And while that's soaking, I'm going to get my little googly eyes out. And these have a little adhesive on the back. You might need a grown-up to help you open that. I do. I'm going to stick the eyes on the outside of my cup. All right. Now, if you have glue at home, you could glue the rest of your face on the outside, but when I made mine, I decided to stick the decorations on the inside next to the dirt and grass. All right. This seems like it's soaked up enough. So now, this open end of the stocking is going to be the wick for our head. So we put a little water at the bottom of this, put that wick in there, and just stick your head down in here. All right. Now you'll have some different decorations. You might have something at home. You could paint or color on this with a marker, but we'll give you some stuff you can use. I found this cute little ladybug, and I think mine needs a ladybug nose because it's a garden gnome. So I'm just gonna stick that nose down there. It's kind of cute. And I got some pom-poms. I think I'm gonna put some earbuds. I'll put them on the side. All right. What do you think? Hello. And then you take your cup and you put it in a sunny window and you watch it grow. And the reason I like this one is we've got this clear side and you'll be able to see everything happening. So I'm gonna put that in a sunny window. Make sure it has water in it. You might need to check it every day. If it gets dry, you can water it. And after a little while, maybe a week or two, your gnome will look like this. Maybe you want to style his hair. I think mine needs a little haircut. You might want to use a pipe cleaner and make it have a little hairstyle. You can do whatever you want with yours. So thanks for visiting us, and we hope you enjoyed the Six Bridges Book Festival, and come see us at the Children's Library. Grow with cows.